Stoicism? Discipline? Self-control? What? No, of course not. Today we're discussing how you too can become weak and fragile individual without any kind of ritual to improve the physical and the spiritual. That's a lot of rhymes. But unlike everybody else, maybe your goal isn't to be the fittest, smartest or the most disciplined version of yourself, and you want to learn how you can do that. Well, you came to the right place. Just follow these 4 easy steps which guaranteed will make you a weak and fragile human in the modern world. Let's not waste any time, shall we? First, you need to consume. Consume everything. Consume fast food, indulge in it every day, no exceptions. Consume sweets, cakes and chocolates. Consume as much sugar as you can, because you can. Drink soda, drink alcohol. Consume social media, get engulfed by it. Consume pictures of celebrities, rich people on boats and yachts, pictures of friends that started a family and bought a house at 21. Then consume bad news from all around the world. Consume some entertainment as well. Consume TV shows whenever you have free time. It's important to keep consuming constantly, so you don't stop and think about your life for a second. You need to prevent your brain from actually working, thinking or even creating something on your own. After all of this consumption, you might feel a little bit lonely or depressed, but we can fix that with some fast food, alcohol and adult websites, so you can feel a bit better, at least for now. Then consume all of the stuff we've mentioned in time-consuming ways. You become what you give your attention to. If you yourself don't choose what thoughts and images you expose yourself to, someone else will, and their motives may not be the highest. Second, let emotions completely control your life. Now, Epictetus was a Greek Stoic philosopher, and his philosophy, Stoicism, teaches how to be in control of your emotions and not let them overwhelm you. No. If you want to be a weak and fragile human, you let emotions determine your fate. Let them sway you around without you having any stable foothold under you. Be angry while driving, go from sad to happy depending on what you're consuming externally, of course. Don't do stuff if you don't feel like it. Tough individuals are characterized by strength of character and discipline. They feel emotion, but know how to deal with it in non-destructive ways, and sometimes take action even though they don't feel like it. But not you. If you don't feel like working hard, don't. Don't feel like exercising, don't. Don't feel like going to bed early, then don't. Always do what you feel like and let emotions control your life. Third, neglect your body. One thing you're going to have for the rest of your life is your body. So, if you want to become weak and fragile, this one is easy. Stop exercising, stop moving and let your body slowly decay. Spend your life without discovering what your body is truly capable of. Be overweight, immobile and inflexible. Slowly lose your ability to move and become a burden to society. Take your health for granted when you're healthy, and if you can, force your body at the edge of your health with unhealthy food, binge eating and alcohol, so that one day one unfortunate event or disease can severely cripple you. Take your vitamins, supplements and healthy food only when you're sick and then forget them as soon as you become better. Exercise and run only when you have a sudden motivation to look good, pay for your gym membership, then forget it the very next day. There are whole circuits and regions in the brain designed for movement, and positive chemicals are released when you're pushing your body out of its comfort zone. So, be sure to never use those. Let them deteriorate along with your health. Your body is the only place you'll have to live for the rest of your life, so be sure to take it for granted. And finally, if you want to be weak and fragile, neglect your mind. As soon as you start working a job, that's when you stop learning things and start shutting your brain. Stop educating yourself how to be a better human. Stop reading books. Stop learning about novel ideas. Your IQ naturally starts to decrease in your mid to late 20s. And this is the perfect opportunity to expedite the process by keeping your brain inactive. Go to school or work, do your job mindlessly, get back home, consume a bunch of stuff on your phone or tablet, then go to sleep. Keep your brain from working actively as much as possible. So when you wake up one day, 5 or 10 years later, you feel like your intellectual potential is all gone. You see, if you happen to use your brain actively throughout your life, you can significantly slow down the negative impact aging has on your IQ, because your brain actually needs to keep up with the demands you're imposing on it by learning new things or doing mentally difficult tasks. The brain is a muscle, and muscles that don't get used atrophy. And atrophy for neglecting your brain is a trophy. Don't use your brain actively, neglect it, and it will slowly but surely neglect you.